Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers. Today, we will take a closer look at the Nugget ice maker and the HiCOZY ice maker. We'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's dive in. The Nugget ice maker produces chewable Nugget ice, which is known for its quick melting time and is perfect for a variety of beverages. In contrast, the HiCOZY ice maker produces regular ice cubes, which may not have the same appeal for those who prefer Nugget ice. This difference in ice type can significantly affect your drinking experience, especially for cocktails and soft drinks. When it comes to ice production, the Nugget ice maker has a higher capacity, producing 34 pounds of ice in 24 hours, compared to the HiCOZY's 26 pounds per day. This means that if you need a larger quantity of ice quickly, the Nugget ice maker may be the better choice for you, especially during gatherings or parties. Price is always a crucial factor in any purchase decision. The Nugget ice maker is priced at $209, making it a more premium option. On the other hand, the HiCOZY ice maker is much more budget-friendly at $119. If you're looking for a more affordable solution and don't mind sacrificing some features, the HiCOZY could be the way to go. In conclusion, both the Nugget ice maker and the HiCOZY ice maker have their unique advantages. If you prioritize chewable Nugget ice and higher production capacity, the Nugget ice maker is worth the investment. However, if you're looking for a more affordable and portable option, the HiCOZY ice maker is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.